It's a 56-inch 5-drawer with rubberwood work center, I guess. Pretty good packaging. Whatever, that doesn't really matter. Get rid of that shit. Alright, I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna open this up a little better and peel her down, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I peeled her down, and we got the drawers here. The wheels actually, this with the handle and the casters, wheels, fucker. They came in this, the bottom bin. We got the les instructions right here, and actually the packing I want to show you. It came with this heavy-duty cardboard, and then I just pinched in the corner there. All 4 corners look pretty solidly packed. This actually just popped right up like nothing. So yeah, I really like the soft close for a budget-friendly box at 400 somewhat Canadian bucks. I'm pretty pleased. Alright, so the bolts they send you are these little fucking bolts here. Fucking great. Who knows the fuck? They're about fucking an inch long, fucking 1/4 inch. Fucking, they send you this dinky little fucking party. Throw this shit in the garbage, bro. Throw this shit out. You fucking use that. Get something a little better. At least get yourself. They come with a fucking 12 mil. It's a 12 mil. You can either use that little dinky little shit. Hex. Allen. Whatever the fuck, you know. It also has a 12 mil. Use a fucking 12 mil. Use a fucking drill. Use something. You know what I mean. Let's give it to your neighbor, or a neighbor that you don't like, or something. All right, so I'm done setting her up. Comes with a key. Set of keys. They do lock. They lock very well. So. That's locked, that's unlocked, obviously. Comes with another key for this locker door. Put fucking gym clothes in there, put whatever the frick you want. Door doesn't always want to shut. So if you're over here fucking slamming shit around, open and close, and make sure you fucking close the door gently, or else you don't want to close. You don't want to close. Anyways, I want to record it, and what the fuck? Alright, so it is recording. Okay, so I want to show you guys is this. The caster attachment point. So they're just right here. I believe there's a reinforcement in here on the bottom that goes from one side to the other. And that's all your reinforcement you're going to get for these casters, because they're pretty much bolted on right to the sheet metal, as you can see there. And they're inside of this little locker room cubby here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This downstairs drawer's got a double ball bearing hinge, double ball bar. They do have these plastic end caps here, so you're not gonna break your nail on it. We all do. Midway drawer is also soft. Yeah, it needs some break-in, but need a little bit of break-in. But other than that, they are soft closing drawers, rated for 1,200 pounds and 18,626 cubic inches of storage capacity. So there you have it, guys. Alright, there's also one more thing that I'd like to mention. They all these drawers come with a custom cut foam topper for each individual drawer. So they all come with that foam topper, except even the bottom one. Yeah, even the bottom drawer, except for they do not come with anything for the cubby. So bare metal on top, bare metal on the bottom. Careful not to cut yourself on these studs. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Likes and dislikes. Good price. Gotta admit, it's a good price. They have, you know, some of the most premium features you could want for a in a box. Soft close. I mean, this bottom drawer, double hinger. Why not? So leave your questions and comments down below if you have any, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.